folks, welcome back. So in this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and talk about how to handle these exceptions, how we're going to do this exception handling. To do this exception handling, we have something called as try-catch block. So what is this try-catch block? In the try-catch block, whatever the code that you think might be causing the exception or might throw an exception, you put it into the try block. Now, if any code in that block has thrown an exception, it will be caught by the corresponding catch blocks. So here, whatever the exception has been thrown will be caught by this catch block, and then the next remaining part of the program can still go ahead and continue. So this is how you handle the exception. So let's do an example to illustrate that. So for example, I'm creating an array of which has about integer, and this is my array, and it is of new int, and it has about 5 elements size of the array. So now in this case, let's say I go ahead and assign the value of an array 1 to, let's say, 18, and I'm trying to go ahead and put this system out.println, and I'm trying to get the element at the location 9th, and I'm trying to go ahead and display this one. So it's going to be ARR of 9th, so which is not possible because the size of your array is only having up to 5 elements. So this is the line that might throw an exception. So we're going to go ahead and put this line in the try block. So this is how we're going to go ahead and do it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this line in the try block, and then if an exception has occurred in this line, you will be catching up here, and then you can say, okay, get the exception, and this is exception has been handled. Now once you do that, you can go up here, and this is the try and catch block, and whatever you write after that, system.out.println hello, how are you. So this part of the code does not have any problem, and it will go ahead and execute this line even if there is an exception in this program. So let's go ahead and execute this. So we'll go ahead and right click this and run as Java application, and we're going to go exception has been handled, hello, how are you. So even the exception has occurred at this location, but still it has been handled by the catch block, and it continued with the remaining part of the program. So now if I wanted to go ahead and get the element at 0th location, we already have an element at that location, and it is under the range of that array. So this is fine. So if you go ahead and run this, now this time the catch block will not get called because no exception has been thrown. It will just continue with the remaining program. So this is about using the try catch block. Please go ahead and execute the same program, and I'll also give you some assignments. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much.